So alright folks, I'm going to be taking apart this lawnmower to get it and turn it into a forge. My earth forge did not turn out very well. So we had to rethink something else, and I don't have time to be out here fooling with this too much. So I'm going to do a down and dirty. Pick this thing up at a scrap yard for $3. Could have got 1,000 of them for free, but I wanted to do this today, not next week, not next month. So I went ahead and took the secondary leg off of it for right now and got it where I needed it. Oh, so I need to just get all this stuff off. It's already been cut and messed up, so there's no salvage and anything off of it. Go ahead and start chunking. It's been a booger too because it was weathered really well. Everything on it didn't come off. The handle part up here I'm going to keep. This. Okay, there it is. Good turned around there. What I did was, I don't know if you can really see it, I switched this one and that one. This one's originally was on the front side up there, or the back side where you would push it. Well, I put it on the back side where the wheel slots would normally go, so that way I could get it lower because there's two lengths and differences in them. This up here, I screwed it into where I wanted it, gave it a little bit of tripod leg. That keeps it from sliding out. I just took where it was standing up and I bent it over into the top. And I'm doing this while it's on the tripod. You can see there where I just bent it over. So, we'll be back in a minute. Okay. This, all around through here, has to come out. So, my brake drum will fit down in there. But, my air compressor is down. So I'm going to have to go with this the old-fashioned way. So, we'll be back. Got the hole in it. You can see it took a lot of grinding it out. I'm going to try to make it snug as possible. She's seated. We just got a bigger tool. So
a new forge and we're about to put some fire in a minute. We gotta wait until we get out of this stupid mess and then we'll make it. And then when we make the fire, we'll watch it again. That was all I had to say.
Alright.
Because that's all.
Well, there it is, folks. There's the new quickly thrown together forge because my earth forge burned up. I'll tell you more about that in a little bit, but or on another video. So catch you later, and thanks for watching.